Hi! In this episode, I will share with you what styling techniques will make a statement with minimal effort. I'm going to share 8 important points with you all. Invest in statement pieces. A great way to make a statement with minimal effort is to invest in key wardrobe items that stand out, such as an eye catching blazer or bold pattern dress. Wear bright colors. Bright colors can instantly draw attention and create a strong visual impact without much effort. A brightly colored top or dress will draw attention to your look and make it stand out from the crowd. Accessorize. Adding accessories like chunky jewelry, eye catching sunglasses, or colorful scarves can help complete your look while adding some extra flair and personality to it. Add a bold accessory. Adding a statement piece of jewelry, scarf, or hat can instantly make an outfit stand out without much effort. Layer clothing pieces. Layering different items of clothing is a great way to add dimension and texture to your outfit without having to put too much effort into it. Play with proportions. Opting for oversized jackets over slim trousers or pairing midi skirts with crop tops are great ways of making a statement without having to put too much thought into styling your outfit. Try unexpected pairings, combining two pieces that don't usually go together, such as pairing a feminine skirt with the edgy leather jacket, can create an interesting contrast that makes you look unique and eye catching. Play with texture and layers. Layering different textures such as velvet over silk or lace over cotton gives visual interest to any outfit without adding bulkiness or extra accessories. Incorporate prints and patterns. Choosing pieces in fun prints like stripes, polka dots, animal prints, etc. will help you create an eye-catching ensemble quickly and easily. On that note, this brings us to the end of this episode. Huge thank you for tuning in. If you find value in this episode, so please give it a like. And if you are not part of the community, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell icon to get more videos just like this. I am Vandana Evanna and I will see you guys soon. Bye.